Priyanka, we have a very special guest coming in. We had a performance earlier in the day.
Yes, we had this performance earlier in the day which was absolutely electrifying, and now we have electricity on the stage itself. An incredible actor, an amazing dancer, and a really dear friend. My co-actor for my next film, Teri Meri Kahani, Shahid Kapoor.
Shahid, thank you so much for being with us, and it was just such a fantastic performance earlier.
It was.
Although I was not comfortable with jumping on my chair because, quite frankly, I had to sit back on it.
I was very careful to jump on the sides and not in the center.
No, I felt.
So if you just avoid keeping your right hand there, you should be fine, man.
But you jumped with me on the chair.
Actually, we saw a side of Cyrus we have never seen. He was chivalrous. He came, he cleaned up, the chair
He said,
for
Priyanka,
Priyanka.
Just in the center, actually, he missed the part where my feet were on. Actually, I found out that Priyanka and you were sitting there, so...
That's why you jumped on the chair?
I made sure that I didn't jump in the
No,
center.
we didn't share the chair. You're misunderstanding. I have my chair.
You know, y'all are saying the same things. Why is there such a confusion? He's saying that he
This
avoided
country
it.
is obsessed with chairs. Ask Dr. Roy.
I was told that car is a gift. And
That car is a gift
political
which has
chair.
already been taken and
Milind
given to
Soman is
Milind
taking
Soman.
yeah, so I want to apologize to Milind, although I don't really think he needs that car with the amount of running that he does.
Really?
Yeah, so my apologies for standing on it and breaking a few bottles here on the stage. But yeah, it was a pleasure here. Thank you so much for having me. It's absolutely outstanding, this cause that all of you come together to do, and it's always a pleasure and a privilege to be invited. Thank you.
Thank you for your support, and you do this
Thank you, Shahid. You
regularly.
supported us last year as well, and now you're here again this year, and that really means a lot to us.
It does.
And we must take you to a village where you see how this transforms the lives of the underprivileged.
We'll also bring you back from the village. So don't get worried.
We won't leave you there. But the villages that you adopted last year, you know, we would love to take you back at some point if you're free from your busy schedule to show you the difference that it has made to those people's lives.
No, absolutely. I think it would be wonderful, and whatever little can be done, and everybody who's contributing, I think, is doing something very special, and it's an absolute pleasure.
And Shahid, one thing different that we've really tried to highlight in this particular Greenathon is also the problem and the peril of plastic waste. And that's the message we've tried to put out, and the more people you can spread the message to also would be really helpful. We are destroying this country by just throwing plastic everywhere. Swati has got some statistics which will literally curl your toenails, which I'm sure she's going to now tell you. The damage it's doing to our health, to our environment, and frankly, just the sheer eyesore. Anywhere you go in India now, you just see plastic kachra
What is doing to our rivers, Swati?
The rivers, I mean, 80% of our waste goes into the river. Yamuna, 3 billion liters of untreated waste goes into the Yamuna every day. Wow. So it's essentially a dead river when it starts flowing from Wazirabad and goes down past Delhi.
I think
Say that number again.
3 billion.
Billion.
Every day.
Every day.
It's more than like 1,000.
Only from around Delhi.
Just Delhi. 52% of Delhi's untreated sewage goes into the Yamuna.
Can we have some more of those statistics?
I think, Pachi, you've always said our rivers in India are almost dead now.
And you know, the worst one, if I may say so, is Mahatma Gandhi's river, the Sabarmati.
Dead.
It is completely dead. And you know,
By dead meaning nothing can
live in it.
oxygen.
You can't even wash your hands in some of our rivers. But you know, the good thing is that the same kind of situation existed in the developed world 40 years ago. But they did something about it. All their rivers are now pristine clean. And I think that's something which we must do.
So it's reversible.
It is
Yes.
entirely reversible.
Anything in nature is reversible.
Reversible.
That's
Some more of those frightening
Plastic.
statistics which, you know, ask her
them
how
all,
many of
Swati,
those,
rattle
you
them
see
all,
those,
rattle
you see those
them
bottles
off
behind
again
your
and
side,
again and
guess
again.
how many of those are thrown. Swati, go.
How much trash do we throw every year?
Swati.
trash is 100 million tons, India alone.
Wow.
But bottles is
100
1
million
billion. 1 billion tons is what the plastic
Only
bottles.
plastic
Yeah.
bottles.
The only real statistic figure for a country is in the US, and that's 2.5 million plastic bottles every hour.
What?
Yes.
So,
Every
Shahid,
hour?
Every hour.
everybody who's come here, every star has been honest and candid. So have you thrown plastic bottles around? And
Never.
This is a good time to confess. plus for you.
I've been fortunate enough to be exposed to the perils of plastic last year.
By watching
So
videos,
I've been
yes,
correcting
yes.
myself and trying to be a better man and using less plastic. What have you been doing about it?
I'm on the other side now.
Which side are you on?
Listening to them for the last 12 months, I'm switched. I'm against the environment.
What?
No, I'm kidding.
What is he saying? Vikram?
You won't beat him up, you're closer to him.
I'm plastic.
You have already admitted that.
I think the scariest thing about plastic, let's face it, plastic's important. We use it from toothbrushes to laptop cases to a lot of things, including
To your
our
everyday
PVC pipes and
gadgets,
everything.
to-
So we're not saying that it's bad. It's the polythene bags and the water, the plastic bottles. That's what we're talking about. But what we throw, whether it's good or bad, we still throw it. And the biggest problem is every piece of plastic ever invented, still exists on this planet because it takes a good 450 to 1,000 years for it to disintegrate. So for every bit of plastic that's ever come onto this
around.
planet, still around.
Still around.
Well, I
Which
think
outlives us by 5 to 6 times.
Completely.
It's-
Outlives
it's-
everything. I mean,
it's essential for us to move towards biodegradable plastics.
exactly.
Because you need to substitute the current use of plastic where it's absolutely essential with biodegradable stuff.
Exactly.
The other point we must remember is, look, we've killed our rivers, all right? Everyone used to drink water from the river. Ganga water used to be the holiest of the holy. What have we done otherwise? Now we are producing water, bottling it. It's a huge
Exactly.
industry. All of that goes to add to the GDP of the country. We believe we're doing better and better, but you're killing something to produce something that is really harmful.
But you know, sir, sometimes change is possible. After we went to Agra, the UP government has now sent in a task
Which
force.
is like within a month of us going to Agra.
Great.
They've sent in a task force. You terrorized him into admitting and agreeing that he will say, you did. You were
What are
really...
you trying to make me sound like? How
But
can I
but actually it was very good. But you did. You
look.
looked at him in Agra and you said, when are you cleaning this up? And he said, I will, I promise. And he's doing it. They've sent in a task force, so congratulations. I'm praising you.
But of course,
really
You're
good.
ruining my reputation.
No, but you've got to clean up things
Excellent act of
upstream.
terrorizing.
Because what you see in Agra is the resultant of things that happen miles and miles upstream. So it's a massive effort, and I think all of us have to get involved. That's the only way we can bring about
But
change.
Shahid, I must say that when you and others like you have a large following, do come on shows like this. Okay, it's entertainment as well, but when you say things
Make
like
it appeal.
you're supporting this, people do listen, and it makes a big difference. I really appreciate you taking the time because
Thank you
you're-
so much.
You work so hard anyway.
I honestly feel that the Greenathon is such a huge platform now that everybody knows about it. I don't think
No,
by
no, it
any
makes a
actor
big
coming in,
difference.
but no, it's
Makes
very
a
kind of
big
you. And I feel that it's a privilege for me to come here. And there's a lot that I find out. I wouldn't say that I'm the most aware person, and it's interesting to hear these statistics. It's very scary to hear some of these statistics, and it makes
Oh, we
you
can
understand.
scare you with statistics.
You don't,
I don't
we
care.
don't need to work on that. It's
We
very
have-
See, you ruined my reputation. Now
and the
you're
task
talking about I
force
don't
that you
need to
said
scare.
was her. I mean, she was
Great
enough to
one,
take
Scare.
care of whatever needed to be done.
One-person army.
You know something?